Yes guys, Faz from Car Wraps UK here. So behind me I've got my BMW M4. So I've fully wrapped this in matte pine green. I've colour coded the whole kit in the same colour as the wrap as well. I've also done hyper silver on the wheels, chrome badges, chrome trims on the side. I thought I'd do like a Swiss-spec, that's what everybody's calling it right now. So I've put in the chrome grills over here as well. So people usually say you can't wrap carbon, I did. So this was fully carbon, these were fully carbon as well. And then yeah, going to cross to the side as well to show you what else was carbon. So these are the PSM side skirts in carbon fibre. We obviously removed everything before we did it, and we've wrapped this in the same colour as well. So I think it looks way better, colour matched as well. And also if you come over there, I've replaced these trims here for the chrome ones as well. These are originally black, so I thought, you know what, I have to get the chrome ones. These wheels were originally satin black, so I changed into a hyper silver. He's done a black undercoat on there with an extra silver on top to give it that more of a chrome look. I didn't want to go fully chrome, I wanted to go for a silver, and I think these look absolutely wicked the way he's done it. So on this one, we've got the PSM spoiler on here. This was also carbon fibre. We've colour matched that to the wrap as well. We've got a PSM rear diffuser, which goes all the way underneath. This is all wrapped individually off the car. God knows how many pieces that took to do. But yeah, the end result looks wicked. And also finally, the chrome M4 badge. That had to be done. So you've seen the car fully complete. If you guys need your cars doing, as I said, everything's done individually. We take pride in all our work. Give us a shout for all your wrapping, customization needs. And I'll see you guys soon.